Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get YouTube Premium. Firstly, open YouTube and log into your account if you haven't already. This might be located in the top right corner or bottom right corner, depending on your device. Just tap your profile icon. Locate the YouTube Premium option while you scroll down if necessary to find this button and tap on it. Now, choose your preferred plan, such as the individual or family plan. Enter your payment information, then tap Buy. Your YouTube Premium membership will activate immediately. You can follow the same steps to do it on computer. Go to YouTube Premium, click the Get YouTube Premium button, confirm your plan and pay for it, then activate your subscription. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.